Hi guys. Hey, I just got my lunchbox finished up. Um, got it paired up for now to an old ready to run Team Associated radio I had, because the only one I had that had a free receiver for now. I may just leave this in there. I don't know. The servo I was going to use, I couldn't get the servo horn off. I don't know why. I mean, I used the good uh, drivers and I couldn't get the bolt to come out of the center, so I just ended up using this one here. Um, but went ahead and got everything together, got all my wiring zip tied up. That's one thing from 40 years working on full size race cars. I don't like wires everywhere. I like them all being together and orderly and whatnot. I took the antenna wire. I had a piece of uh, antenna tube still laying around from something, so I cut a piece off of that and ran that up in there. So that matches, the body, which you're not gonna see it anyway when the body's on it. But yeah, she's ready to roll. Got the reverse working, forward, got all the steering rolling. Took everything apart, put the whole bearing set in it, the Fast Steady XB kit, because this was the one that was already expert built. One thing I found out with this kit, I watched other people's videos with this XB, and I don't know if it's just the XB or if it is the Lunchbox in general, but a lot of them were losing that nut. The left rear driver's side nut, they were losing. Well, when I got to looking at it, when I went to take the tires off, this thing was pretty loose. And it was tight, but it wasn't, put it that way. And got to looking at it, and the nylon wasn't even making contact with the shaft itself, the axle shaft. So what I did on the two rears, I took a Traxxas nut that has the what do they call that? The flanged lock washer part, and put that on. It's got the nylon center, but it's also got the grooves in it. And I put that on both rear tires. The front, you don't need it because it locks up against the end of the thread on the front shafts, and it's fine. There's no problem there. Hits the nylock part without a problem. But on these rears, maybe something you guys, if you're having the same problem, maybe something you want to do, because at least if you have that in there to grab, that's grabbing against that plastic wheel, it may help, keep it from coming loose if you guys are having the problem. But two different videos I watched, the guys on their initial run of the XB, they lost the left rear tire. So, with that said, I changed it out. We'll see what it does. I also changed the plugs to, on these I run Deans. On my Tamiya, I run Deans because I run the nickel cadmium batteries, NiCad, whatever. I don't run lipos, so that way, I can run these. I had a real problem with the T connectors and XB60s getting hot and melting together on my Traxxas cars that had lipos. So if I'm not running a lipo, I'm good. But yeah, it's just one of those deals. We'll see we'll see how it goes. Like I said, everything's done now. Got the body ready to rock and roll. I mean, man, this thing's just so cool. Uh-oh. Trying to put the body on one-handed. Doesn't want to work right. But, anyway. Well, guys, you get the idea. And tomorrow should be the first run for it. Hopefully, we don't get all this rain. It sounded like they were done raining, and then they were done with the rain forecast, and now it looks like it's going to rain tomorrow. God, I hate doing things one-handed. I can't. There we go. There we go. So, yeah, there we go. Cool. Hold up. We just got half of them on. But, yeah, I hopefully we'll get the first run of this tomorrow. There we go. Got the body on it now. Get the first runs tomorrow, and hopefully everything will go good. Like I said, you know, messed with it here, and everything's working good. Yeah, it even wants a wheelie on the little stand, cheap little stand, and figured, you know, plastic, stand it up, why not? But anyway, yeah, definitely got her done. I'm real happy with it. Real happy with the way everything turned out. What a difference putting bearings in it. To me personally, I'd never build a Tamiya without a bearing kit. Those plastic bushings are just junk, and they cut your runtime in half, usually pretty close to half, and everything wears out quick. So, to me, there's really no excuse not get them for, you know, the price of them. They're cheap, and for the price of what you're paying for a quality Tamiya, you know, it's definitely worth it. So, anyway, guys, just thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. And stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. I'm going to put some kind of lights in the front here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to do something since it's got the buckets already. But yeah, just hopefully we'll get the first run video of it tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So, Happy New Year, guys. New Year's Eve. Be safe out there, and just take care of each other, and y'all have a Happy New Year, and huge thanks go out to the RCL for this lunchbox. This thing has just been a great gift, and I really appreciate it. So thank you, RCL, and all you guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.